All right, this is part 2. All right, that was American Boy by Estelle. Anyways, moving on to this. All right, this is your favorite problem to do. Guess what? It's scale factor. What do you know about scale factor? New over original. All right, you need to read. Yes. Unfortunately, it's something you have to do. All right, so anyways, you just have to figure out which one's new, which one's old. You could determine if it got bigger or smaller. Eliminate some answers. Or you can just do new or original. You'll get your answer. Remember to count the straight sides, not the ones that are slanted. You can either do this with the coordinates, choose coordinates that are corresponding, or sides that are corresponding, like this side and that side. All right, move this out of your way. All right, here you need to find the equation that represents the total amount that Max would charge. Well, you have to pay attention. A flat fee means that regardless of how many hours he works, he is always going to receive $50 plus the $35 per hour. So that means every time the hour changes, this part's going to change. If he works 1 hour, he'll get paid $35. Ooh, it's messing up. $35. If he works 2 hours, it'll be $75 extra dollars. All right. This is a little. All right, my pen is deciding not to work right now. All right, back to business. So anyways, you got your 50 flat rate plus your 35 per hour. All right. So now you need to determine which equation would be used to figure that out. They threw this 200 in here. They're just saying that if he sells a package for 200, that means he's worked how many hours? The 200 does not fit into this equation, so you're not going to add it to 50, even though that's what you want to do. Read carefully and try to actually understand what the problem is saying. This next one, very, very simple. 2 ways you can do it. You can look up here and say, oh, I don't know how to do that. I don't understand fractions. Or you can come down here and plug it in and see if it's on the line. So you go to A, you get -8. You go to -8 and -8. Right? All right. Yay, A's the answer. No, you need to check all of these. And then check here, check here, check here. Remember, a lot of times they try to get you an A because they know that you don't want to do the work. All right, this one is fairly simple. You can change these all to percents or all to decimals. So you can do these in your head. It's fairly simple. You can change this to a percent in different ways. You can set that bottom equal to 100 and cross multiply and divide. Or, remember, top in the house, you can just divide. This sign, not only is it a fraction, it means you can divide. Top is in the house. Top is in the house. All right, and you change that, you change that one. Some of y'all might know these in your head. That's fine, but I still need to see work. Read this too. It says least to greatest. Small to big. All right, here, fairly simple. You can look at the relationship from here to here, or you could set up an equation. A proportion. This is height to shadow. All right, height to shadow, height to shadow. Well, the shadow is 3, his height is 6. The shadow is 8, the height is, I don't know. You figure it out.
Right now, man, and this what I'ma do till it's over, but it's far from over.
All right, we are done. To earn your Nelson bucks, you will need to know these songs, or at least know the titles. Normally, I played the section that you will know what the titles are. Also, here I want you to draw a heart on number 12 with an arrow going through it. That's how I know you've watched my video. All right, I shall see y'all tomorrow.